In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your video in CapCut. Now, it's real easy to do. Once you have your media in your timeline, it's very easy to speed up your video. So make sure you have it selected. And then once you do that, look over here to your right side of your entire dashboard, and you're going to see a lot of options here. What you want to focus on is speed. So what that's going to do is it'll give you two options here. And what you can do is go ahead and increase the speed. And what you're going to see is the duration below it will also increase as well. Obviously, if the speed is going faster, the video is going to be shorter. And if you lower your speed down, the video will be much longer. So it's real easy to go through and to make it faster, make it slower. You can also go ahead and trim parts of the video and then select those parts and speed those up as well. It's very easy to do. What we can do here is I'll just pick a spot here and I'll hit split, and then I'll choose another spot here and hit split again. And then what we can do is just choose this part and make sure that only this increases in speed. So that is how you would go about increasing the speed in your videos in CapCut. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.